Morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.R.S.N.S.R.C.A.S College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss the topic Datetime Handling in OOPS with Python Programming. Datetime handling in Python supplies the classes for manipulating the date as well as time. In order to visualize the date as well as time in your application, so for that reason we are implementing the date time module. So for that we have to use the syntax. First of all, we have to implement the import module with the keyword of import as that keyword is none other than date time. So with this we are going to import the methods of date time handling in order to display the date as well as time in your application. So now let us see the primary classes. The primary classes in datetime handling is none other than datetime.date as it's going to represent a date with year, month as well as day. And then if you want to display the time, datetime.time. So with that particular primary class, we have to represent the time with hours as well as minutes, seconds, microseconds. In this way, we are going to get the result. So as well as datetime means combines the both date as well as time. It's going to display. Datetime time delta. It is also one of the primary classes to represent the difference between the two dates or times. The date time TZ info. It's going to provide the time zone informations. If you are in need of time zone informations lively in your application, so for that reason we can embed the date time TZ info. Hope you understand the primary classes in datetime handling. Now we are going to see the methodologies, methods. What are the methods we are going to use in order to implement the datetime? Methods like datetime.nowOf. So the nowOf methods is going to return the current local date as well as time in your applications. So if you are in need of current local date, so for that we have to specify the datetime.today today of methods. Today of methods helps to display the date current local date. So date time dot strp time of date underscore string comma format. If you are specifying with format, in that particular format we can expect the results. So the passes the string representing a date as well as returns the date time objects. So date time date of year, month, day we have to specify in this format if you are in need of. So for that we can create a date objects. Date time dot time, it's going to display the hour, minutes, seconds and then microseconds. So it's going to create the time objects. So if you are in need of date time in your application, each and every application, if you want to display the date time in specific manner, for that we can use these methods in order to project in effective way. So the date time handling is one of the important thing. In order to visualize these, first of all we have to use the module called date time. So with that we are going to import we are going to specify the date in your applications. Hope you understand clearly about the concept date time. So module plays a vital role in your in Python language. So in Python programming, additional features is none other than modules. If you are in need of some specific thing, so for that we can embed the module, and then we have n number of modules in Python languages. Even compared to Python to traditional programming language, in Python 3, the latest version supports a lot with n number of modules like pandas, numpy and then iterator, generator. So likewise we have many. If you are in need of some system data, for that we can specify the module called sys, and then if you are in need of operating system, so for that we can specify OS module. So likewise we have n number of modules. So same like if you are in need of specifying a date as well as specific time, so for that we can specify the date time module. Hope you understand clearly about the date time module. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.